Righto guys, how you going? Craigo back. Now, as you would have seen a month or so ago, I put I bought a Starlink Mini for my travels. So I've just had a thought about it, and I thought it will best be mounted to the roof of the car. So I've been looking for a solution. So I think I've come up with a solution that'll suit me better. So I bought a Click Starlink Mini mount. I'll give you a quick look at it, and then on the weekend I'll fit it to the car and I'll do some videos. So I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe, and send some feedback. So here's the unit here. Comes in a box. As you know, I don't do unboxing, so that can go away. Got a sticker, piece of paper, some foam. So here we go. This is the unit here. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Dog can play with that. Get rid of that. Don't need that. Okay. So, there's a problem. It doesn't have the mounts for the Pioneer rail. This unit here is to be actually mounted onto the Rino rack Pioneer rail. And when I bought it, I was under the impression that it had the mounts to go into the rail. Boo-boo for me. I'll have to find some, and I'll get back to you when I'm fitting it. Righto guys, I fell into a bit of a trap. I thought when I ordered the Click Mini Starlink mount to go under the roof, and keep in mind this one here I've purchased goes onto my Rino rack, which I think I got the Rino rack tradie platform with the Rino backbone. So that you need, for it to go into the Rino rack rails, you need these items. Okay, so fortunately I had some floating around from some other stuff I've taken off, so they'll be for the back and these will be the front. So they just slide into the Rino rails. I've already taken it down and it measures up, slides up pretty nice. I think it's a pretty sexy unit. So yeah, I'll keep you up to speed with the install, and I'll go get the Starlink now and see if it fits in. Okay, I've got her snug in there, nice and snug. She fits really good. You got to take the bracket off the back. So I like it. I reckon, Click, you've done a great bloody job. So I'll mount that up on the car on the weekend and run the wires, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Okay, how you going guys? I'm back, finished the Starlink roof mounted installation on a MUX Isuzu using the Click platform. Now, no affiliation, this is my choice. Do I like it? Yeah, I think it's pretty sexy actually. So I'll show you the complete installation. So here we go. It's mounted on the roof rack. Now I bought the Click unit that just goes into the Rino rack rails. Okay, so pretty secure. If someone wanted to steal it, it would take a while. So I got the Rino rack with the backbone platform. So I've just run the wires underneath there, up underneath there, made a loop just in case I need to change something. Down the channel I've got a sticky thing coming for here because I didn't want to use silicone, so I'll just put a cable tie there. So I've got it running down here. It comes down through there, runs down there. I've siliconed it into the channel there, and it's gone in behind the rear left hand light, and I brought it out here. So the reason I brought it out here is I've got two outlets down the bottom there, and so this one here is for when I'm driving the car, and this one here, this one runs a fridge, and this one here is a constant from the house battery. So guys, I like it. It looks neat, it looks tidy. It's it gets Craigo's thumbs up, you know, like, good on you guys. Thanks Click, you did a great job, great product. Easy to install, works great, everything fitted. The only thing is when and if you decide to buy one, and you want to put on your Rino rack, just make sure that you buy the mounting bolts for the Rino rack, because they do not come with it. But jump on their website and yeah, have a look. I'm happy. So thanks guys, and if you're getting something out of what I'm doing, please click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Yeah, thanks very much.